Hotel quality steaks pero way cheaper sa mga sikat na hotel restos? Saan yan? Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo ng premium steaks pero ayaw mong gumastos ng hotel prices? May bagong semi-fine dining restaurant sa Angeles City na seryoso. Australian, Wagyu and USDA steaks pero mas mura. Nandito kami sa The Fireplace by Steak Experience PH along Don Aniceto, Gueco Street, Angeles City. Accessibility? Check. Along the main road lang. Yung facade pa lang, very inviting, very intriguing. Parang tinatawag ka nang pumasok. Joyce, Mark and I went for dinner para mas ramdam namin yung cozy ambience. Open sila daily, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Classy yung place, perfect for date nights or meetings during the day. Now here's where it gets exciting. I had the opportunity to go inside their kitchen and watch the chefs prepare the steaks. May extra steps silang ginagawa na kakaiba from other restaurants. First time kong makita. Yun pala yung secret nila behind their quality. Then came the showmanship. Guys, may apoy, may usok, may full presentation ritual. Nung nag-serve, jaw drop kami. Wow! Talaga ang reaction. Let's talk food. We tried Philly cheesesteak, chicken buffalo balls, signature Sankey salad, French onion soup, baddest burger, seafood aglio olio, chicken a la king, loco moco, meat platter, boneless ribeye, lamb steak. Sobra talaga. My top 3. Number 1. Boneless ribeye. It's juicy, tender, and perfect doneness. Number 2, baddest burger. Grabe, iba yung lasa and size. And number 3, the meat platter. Kumpleto kasi, sulit na sulit. Here's the secret. They can serve quality meats kasi they themselves are meat importers. That's the Steak Experience PH. From source to table talaga. Yun ang edge nila versus other steak places. Pricing, way cheaper than the hotels of the same quality. Worth it ba? Super! And the vibes, classy but homey. Lighting and music during dinner, it's super romantic. Perfect for couples and steak lovers. Kahit first time mo pa lang or sanay ka na sa quality steaks, welcome ka dito. The Fireplace by Steak Experience PH, Angeles City. Premium steaks without the hotel price. Drop sa comment. Team ribeye or team lamb steak? Tag your steak buddy and save this para sa next date or celebration nyo. See you at the Fireplace.